welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be finishing rolling my coins up. I thought it was going to be a long time to do it, so I didn't feel like recording it because it's going to take forever. But then my kids wanted to help, so I showed them. So the first helped me to sort things up, and there's a piece of French fries in this one. They helped me sort the money out, and they already finished wrapping up the what is it called? Well, they finished wrapping one up. I don't know. I think the pennies, the nickels. Anyways, they finished wrapping it up. This is the only one left right there. So they really had fun helping me to do this. So I'm like, well, it's almost finished, so why can't I just come up here and finish doing this on camera to show you guys how much I've saved up in this space of 10 months, guys. This is 10 months. I want to cash this out so I can use it for what I need it for, because I'm not going to have the chance to do it in December. So I can start afresh in January. So, yes, look at all the pennies. This is so annoying. Yeah. And here are my dimes. I believe this is the dimes. Yes. And I have some quarters left. They rolled some up. And these are $1 coins. I have 4 of them. And I have only one nickel left here. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed most part of this video is gonna be sped up. So, and I'm gonna do these pennies last. For some, I just don't like messing with them. And let me show you. Well, I had to stop by my bank to get more because I ran out of. I didn't have any pennies and I didn't have a lot of them. The other ones, so I went by my bank today to get more. And yeah, this is free. They sell it at the Dollar Tree, but you can walk into your bank and just get this for free. You're not gonna pay for them. And these are the ones that we already rolled up. Right here we have the nickels, we have the quarters, dime, and penny. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue rolling this up right now. Yes, close my door all the way. Thank you. Take it and go, please. Close the door all the way. Okay, guys, this is my life, okay? I'm here in my room recording, and I told them to leave the room, right? And my youngest, Angel, she came back in the room and said she has a surprise for me. I couldn't send her out, so she said she made these fireworks and an animal fireworks. I don't know what this is for. I just told her thank you, and now she's gone again. She's probably gonna be back. So I have $20, so I'm gonna move on to the dimes. And the dimes, I believe, takes 50. No, this is not a dime, sorry. I don't even know what I'm doing here. The dimes takes $5 each. So I'm gonna go ahead and arrange them here just so it's easy for me to start rolling them up. Okay, so I found this. I don't know if you can see it properly. It is from. It's not from here. I'm trying to find out the name. My husband is in the military, so every time he goes places, he comes back home with the money. And this is saying somewhere in Africa. This is not from Nigeria, so because I'm a Nigerian, so I know what Nigerian. We don't even have coins. They don't spend coins in Nigeria anymore. And this, I don't know which country this is. This is what it's looking like. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it. It says 1 rand. So yeah, I have quite a few non-US coins here that ended up in my coin jar. I don't know how they got in there. This is from, I pretty much think it's from, this says 10 euro. Another 1 rand. I don't know what that is. This is from Bahrain. Bahrain, yes, I see the kingdom of Bahrain. Yeah, this is from Bahrain. This is also from, this is from the United Arab Emirates. Look at the shape. And this also is 2 euros, and I don't know where this is from. This, I think it's from Bahrain. It says State of Bahrain. And I don't know how much this is. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm just gonna keep them for just for memories. I mean, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this up right now.
Somebody's calling me.
Studio.
Somebody stop calling me. So I can watch.
Why are you watching Cash Stuffing video?
I was watching it.
Look what my daughter just brought my phone and she's watching a Cash Stuffing video on my phone. I have no clue why she is watching that. Oh, she's watching Beautifully Me and You. I think that was so funny.
Guys, please.
Here, go. Go, so I can finish my video. Close my door all the way. Okay guys, so this is $3. I have $3 rolled up here, and I have $3. See, I mean, this is $15. I'm sorry. There's $5 each, so there's $15, and there's $3, and I have some more here. So at the end of this, all I'm going to write and total whatever I have left that is not a whole row together. So, but then the next set is the pennies, and I'm telling you guys, the small coins are very hard, very hard for me to roll up. So I'm gonna pause this and do this off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished rolling them up, and I'm gonna go ahead and count them. So I have the quarters, and they are $10 each. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80. So 80. So I have the dimes, and they are $5 each. So 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100, and this is not up to a whole row, so 100. So 100 plus $3.80. 3.80. So I have $103.80. And then the remaining of the quarters is $4.50 plus 4.5. Then the nickels are $2 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8. Now the pennies are 50 cents each. So $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 plus 8. I have $124.30. So I have these dollar coins. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 128.30. So this coin counter, what I discovered is the coin counter is not accurate because I have more than this showing on the counter, but this is all I have. And I found some more coins that are not from here. It says Africa, but I don't know what country it's from. And I just have this 5 cents left over, so I'm just gonna keep this in my wallet. So I have $128.30 that's going to the bank. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a video next time on what I want to use this money for, but this is ready to go, should be cashed in. Cashed out. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye bye.